Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting a thin, non-damaging bookmark so the spine and pages stay intact. Paper, ribbon, or a stiff card work. Once chosen, open the book to the current reading spot and place the bookmark so its top aligns with the page edge. You do this to preserve margins and avoid creasing. Make sure the bookmark sits flush, not sticking out too far, because consistent placement helps you return quickly and prevents bending or pressure on the binding. Now secure the bookmark so it won't slip when you move the book. Slide it between pages at the gutter for stability, or near the outer edge if you prefer quick access. If you use a ribbon, drape it over the top and let equal length hang both sides. For a stiff card, tuck about 1/3 inside to balance hold and visibility. Also jot a quick note with page number or chapter on a sticky tab. That extra cue speeds up resuming reading later. To finish, close the book gently and ensure the bookmark's edge won't catch when shelved. This prevents tearing. When you come back, open to the bookmark spot and verify the page number or chapter. Make a small adjustment if pages shifted in storage. If the bookmark slips out repeatedly, switch to a slightly heavier material or attach a small binder clip to anchor it. This keeps the book safe while preserving paper and makes your next reading session seamless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.